Hello all, our project title is Non-Invasive Health Monitoring System. Myself Sindhuja, my batchmates are Narmada and Nitya Bharati. Our project guide is Mr. S. Vijaykumar, Assistant Professor. The objective of our project is to design a smart, non-invasive health monitoring system for the patients based on IoT to provide a convenient and pain-free method for the individuals to track their health parameters in real time. Working principle, we use ESP32 module, heartbeat sensor, glucose sensor, temperature sensor, SpO2 sensor, buzzer, IoT cloud computing, Arduino IDE, Arduino Studio. Now we are going to monitor the patient health status by wearable automation method. We use thermistor as a temperature sensor here. It can convert the temperature or heat level into electric voltage. It works on the basis of negative temperature coefficient. This is SpO2 sensor, which comes under the type of MAX 30100. It can find the heartbeat and oxygen level in the body. This is invisible glucose level sensor. It works on the principle of transmitter-receiver concept. The data is analyzed by the flow of an individual blood flow of an individual by the sensor in the span of few minutes. All the values from the sensors are fed into the microcontroller called ESP32 type. It can receive the sensor value and send into the server within a particular seconds. The microcontroller is a compact size and inbuilt IoT option. Here we used buzzer to alert the user if the range exceeds the above level. We fed the temperature level as 50 degrees Celsius and heartbeat rate as 130 ppm. We are using a rechargeable lithium battery of 7 volt, hence only 5 volt is sufficient for this operation, but the battery holds 7 volt, so we are using a regulator to match the voltage and provide only the 5 volt to the circuit. There is no need of separate IoT device since IoT and Bluetooth are inbuilt in a microcontroller itself, which will provide the data. We are using embedded C to code the microcontroller and to collect the information from the server. We are using Android Studio application where Java programming is used. We install the application in the mobile. We can see the patient's health status by mobile itself. Demonstrate our project, and user needs to insert their fingertip into the glucose sensor, SpO2 sensor and thermistor. And it is in thermistor which act as a temperature sensor. Both the glucose and SpO2 sensor analyze the parameters by the flow of blood. By analyzing the blood flow of an individual, it collects the data and transmits it to the ESP32 module. ESP32 provides both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for embedded devices. The connected data from the sensor were transformed to the IoT cloud, and the end results were obtained using mobile application. Mobile application shows the status as normal or abnormal. If any of the fixed level increases, if the heartbeat of an individual increases, the buzzer alarms. Same way, if the temperature increases, the buzzer alarms and shows an abnormal status. Any of the fixed level increases, the buzzer alarm. If the heartbeat of an individual increases, the buzzer alarms. Same way, if the temperature increases also, the buzzer alarms and shows the abnormal status.